Hello everybody, my name is Ananya Kantraj. So today I am here with another video of the subject Green IT. So today we're going to discuss about basically what is Green IT, what are the causes of Green IT, and the advantages of using Green IT, and the disadvantages of using Green IT. And the question arises to us is about how the environment is being populated and what is the solution through Green IT and the proper solution which can be used in IT technology in order to, save the environment through green IT. So basically, what is green IT? The thing which comes into our mind is nothing but green IT refers to environmentally friendly use of information technology, focusing on reducing the environmental impact of IT infrastructure and operations. So it encompasses energy efficiency, resource conservation, and sustainable practice across the entire IT lifecycle. Let's look into what are the causes of green IT. So when you look into the causes, we can observe the three main causes basically here. First is energy consumption, second is electronic waste, and third is resource depletion. So when it comes to the energy consumption, it's nothing but the high energy demands of the data centers, servers, and the other IT equipment which contribute to carbon emissions and strain on the environment, basically on their use. Second is nothing but e-waste or electronic waste. That is nothing but the rapid turnover of technology. It leads to a growing of mountain of e-waste. That's nothing but a lot of e-waste manufacturing, which ends up in landfills or is improperly disposed, which is the main cause of another green IT. Then resource depletion. So how resource depletion contributes to green IT is nothing but the manufacturing of IT hardware relies on finite natural resources which must be extracted, processed, and transported. So we can conclude that these are the three causes of green IT. Next, let's look into the advantages of green IT. When it comes to the advantages, we can figure out three main advantages here. That's nothing but environmental benefits, cost savings, and improved brand image. First comes environmental benefits. When you're talking about the environmental benefits, it's nothing but the reduced energy usage, decreased carbon footprint, and responsible e-waste management, which contribute to a healthier, more sustainable planet. Then comes the cost savings. When you look at the cost savings, the green IT practices such as energy efficient hardware and visualization or virtualization can lead to the significant cost savings for organizations. Then, coming to improve brand image, the embracing green technology and sustainability initiatives can enhance a company's reputation and appeal to the environmentally consciousness of the customers or the consumers. So this is how you can improve by having a brand image of green IT through which the surroundings and the society can get an information of what should be used in cause and what shouldn't be used. Let's look into the disadvantages. When it comes to the disadvantages here, we have four basic and main points over here. So first is higher upfront cost. So implementing green IT solutions such as renewable energy resources or efficient data centers can require significant and initial investments. So technological limitations comes with the second point of being a disadvantage to green IT. That's nothing but some green technologies may not be yet as advanced or efficient as traditional IT solutions, limiting their scalability and effectiveness. Third comes lack of awareness. When it comes to the knowing of what exactly is happening in terms of using the green IT in a sustainable manner, we can understand that the limited understanding of green IT benefits and practices, can hinder the adoption and implementation among our organizations and individuals. So it might be among a group of people who might not be knowing what exactly is happening around them, which might lead to a lack of awareness, which is depicting here. Next comes the regulatory challenges. That's nothing but compliance with evolving green IT policies and regulations can be complex and require additional resources. So, what can you say that, like in order to protect the green IT, the environment can be protected in the following ways. First is the energy efficiency, implementing energy efficient hardware, virtualization, and cloud computing to reduce the energy consumption of IT infrastructure is the first point. Second is renewable energy, powering IT operations with renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, or hydroelectric power to minimize the greenhouse gas emissions. Third comes the sustainable practices. So, adopting green procurement policies, proper e waste disposal, and promoting environmentally conscious behavior among the employees looks into the sustainable practices of green IT for the environmental protection. So, what can be the green IT solutions for sustainability in order to see the depletion of a lot of resources among us? So, first comes the server virtualization. So, server virtualization is nothing but it's consolidating multiple physical servers into a virtual machine to reduce the energy consumption and hardware footprint. Then comes cloud computing. Cloud computing is nothing but leveraging shared energy efficient cloud infrastructure to minimize the need for ongoing premises hardwaring and resources. Third comes the green data storage, implementing energy efficient storage solutions such as solid state drives and automated data tiering to reduce the power and cooling requirements. Fourth comes the telecommuting. Telecommuting is nothing but enabling remote work and reducing the need for physical office spaces, thereby lowering the carbon footprint associated with the commuting. So, coming to, being a responsible citizen so that you can have a better future tomorrow, in order to do this, we first have to think about the recycling of e-waste and managing in green IT. So how does it contribute to being a better person? So first is collection of the objects or the resources in the process of recycling. Second is the refurbishment, and third is the recycling. So first comes the collection. Here, establishing effective programs to collect and manage the disposal of electronic waste, such as laptops, desktops, and mobile devices. Second comes refurbishment. It's nothing but repairing and refurbishment is nothing but the refurbishing and repairing of IT equipment to extend its useful life and reduce the need for a new hardware. And then comes recycling. So, what is recycling? Recycling, as all of us know, is nothing but the partnering with certified e-waste recyclers to ensure the proper dismantling, recovery, and reuse of raw materials from the electronic devices. So, disposal of obsolete appliances in an environmentally friendly way can lead to the protection of the Mother Earth. So, this is what can convey in terms of recycling, refurbishment, and collection. So what are the green IT policies and regulations we can see here? One can observe that first is the Energy Star, where the energy efficient standards for electronic devices are equipment. Second is the W drive, that is WEEE drive. That's nothing but EU regulation on the collection, treatment, and recycling of electronic waste. Third is the ROHS directive. It's nothing but EU regulation restricting the use of hazardous substances in electronic equipment. Fourth comes the Federal Data Center Consolidation Initiative. That's nothing but the US government program to improve the energy efficiency of federal data centers. So thank you for watching my video. Please stay tuned for more videos. Please do like, share, and subscribe to the upcoming videos. Thank you all.